Hi guys, we'd like to take you along our 80-day winter trip from Georgia out to Quartzsite, Arizona and back with 22 stops, 6 states, and 4,800 miles. We'll give you quick reviews of the campgrounds we stay in, places that we go, fun stuff that we do, and ugly stuff that happens too. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us. Here was our next stop.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. High View Park is on a long peninsula on the western shore of Bardwell Lake, less than an hour south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area in north-central Texas. High View Park offers campsites with water and 30 and 50 amp electric hookups, picnic sites, and 1 reservable day-use group picnic pavilion. A 4-lane boat ramp and a courtesy dock make access to the lake easy. Public restrooms with showers are also available. The park is grassy and partially forested with a mix of shade and sun. The lake's cool blue water provides a refreshing break from the Texas heat, while bluebonnets and other wildflowers surround the lakeshore each spring. Many local fishermen consider Bardwell Lake one of the best-kept secrets in the state. Bass fishermen seldom leave empty-handed, crappie fishing is moderate, and catfish are usually excellent. Amenities include boat ramp, campfire rings, cell phone service, day-use area, dump station, electric hookups, grills, pets are allowed, picnic area, picnic shelters, picnic tables, a self-pay station, showers and vault and flush toilets, water hookups, electricity hookup, bait shop, boat storage, boat slips, boat trailer parking, an entrance station, a host, lake access, paved roads, paved parking, RV storage, table and benches, fishing dock and pier, and paved pathways. And of course, there are cultural and historical attractions in the nearby cities of Dallas and Fort Worth. Things you need to know. The entrance station is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. The day-use area and swim beach close at 9 p.m. Check-in is at 3 p.m. Check-out is at 2 p.m. Vehicle passes must be returned to the gatehouse upon final departure and checkout. Swimming pools, sprinklers, and water slides are not allowed. Nothing may be nailed to trees or other plants. Stop the spread of invasive species by removing your plant, seeds, animals, and mud from boots, gear, pets, and vehicles. Clean your gear before entering and leaving the recreation site. Stay on designated roads and trails and follow local guidelines for firewood. Clean, drain, dry boats and any other recreational equipment that contacts water. Dispose of unwanted bait, worms, fish parts, or other organisms into the trash and not into the environment. Don't move firewood. Protect your forest from tree-killing pests by buying your firewood locally and burning it on site. water, no sewer. They have a dump station. Trailer parking right here. And over there.
And there, and up there, and everywhere.
Oh, we have power lines across the lake. Be careful. And they have a little dock there, which has got yellow caution tape on it. And they've got 4, except for the where that's at, 4 launches here. Well, 3 ramps. Wow.
Yeah.
And a courtesy dock over there. Huh. A few of the sites are pretty long.
Yeah.
Ours was probably, what, 75 feet?
Yeah, right around there. This is a long one here.
Number 11?
Number 11 and 10.
Yeah, those are long. I like ours because you have the view of the lake, and you see how some of these have the side parking? On the lake over here, it seems that's where they have them. That's where we have Leroy's, in the side parking area. Man, that guy's got some big dogs over there.
3 Great Danes, or I don't know what.
Gotta have a big RV for that. And we have a covered area with concrete picnic table. The one next to us has a side parking, and the one next to it does too, which would be 21, 22, I believe. And then we got this little area right here, which is nice, and we have a little fire pit out here as well. And there's our view. Dave said that showers were okay and that they were just a little bit over warm. He likes really hot showers, but he said it wasn't too bad. I think he said the pressure was okay. And there's separate rooms, which is nice. Big shower area. There isn't a whole lot to do other than being at the lake at this campground, but it is peaceful. Jimmy's is about the only restaurant nearby in Avalon. Order at the counter and get your homemade meals. My salad was awesome, and Dave got a totally smothered chicken fried steak. Then he couldn't resist trying the fried Oreo cookies. Oh, Dave. We liked this park. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.